Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. So this morning we got some news coming out of England saying that they're going to do some quantitative easing on the bonds. So that's why we saw a big jump in price for the IWM. And because the IWM is doing well, completely outperforming the NASDAQ, the IWM is green, which is making the SPY slightly green, which pulled the NASDAQ from being very red to slightly red. So, yeah, we have to basically see how the market is going to respond to this news that England is bullish on bonds now, starting quantitative easing. Quantitative easing, of course, was one of the main reasons why the 2020-2021 bull market occurred. Grabbing. Ooh, this is a very interesting trade. I'm gonna grab light SPY calls with a low of day stop loss. So we want to see this hold. This is a very, very risky trade. So we just got really, really big news internationally about QE. We have to see if that news can hold the market up at these levels, but it's not a guarantee. Clearly, at the moment, the market looks very, very bearish. But we have to see if this can hold on the SPY. But overall, we're taking SPY calls, but the IWM is much, much stronger. So let's see, because the NASDAQ is giving away support. So let's see if this can basically hold. So far, not working out. The IWM is holding support, not the SPY, because the NASDAQ is showing weakness. Yeah, we're gonna have to sell out of these for a small loss. Low of day didn't hold. The IWM broke below support. Now let's just see. That level clearly didn't hold. The market was red almost 1.5%. And flipped green. I'm grabbing SPY calls 362.90 stop loss. $362.90 is essentially trading within this wick of this candle that just happened. So we had a big move to the downside, a big wick below multiple levels of support, and then the next candle we ripped upwards in green. Usually when this setup happens, we always have to take longs because this is a very, very bullish setup. It means that there's a lot of buying pressure. So having a stop loss either basically right above this wick is ideal. Usually this is a very bullish setup. But usually whenever this happens, we do take long. Let's see if this can hold. The NASDAQ is bouncing nicely. The IWM is holding support. I'm still holding on to the calls. We're still hovering around support. Powell has a recorded speech at 10:15 a.m. So that is, if the market continues chopping around like this, that's probably what they're going to be waiting for. If this doesn't hold, this is going to, we're probably going to fall down to 362. And then we'll see if they can hold the market from there. But otherwise, this is a standard play that we take. Low of day trade. The market's doing well because QE news coming out of England. They said that they're going to aggressively buy back bonds as much as necessary. So that is that basically, that news caused the IWM and the banks in the US to start showing a lot of strength. So basically, US banks and companies are basically forecasting that potentially the US Fed can start doing QE as well. So I doubt that can happen, but I doubt that'll happen anytime soon. But let's see. But yeah, definitely this morning had a lot of really, really crazy news. The market was down negative 1.5%, and then it flipped green. So this is very, very crazy early morning price action prior to market opening. So it's nice. Today's definitely different. Yeah, so, once again, just a standard play. We take calls at support. We saw a really, really bullish candle setup. Had to go long. We had a stop loss. Held. So now we need to see if the SPY can break above 363.80. So far, the IWM is looking to make a new high of day. So clearly that strength is leading the strength in the SPY. But yeah, let's see if we can break a new high of day on the SPY as well. IV is also very, very high. This morning, IV is very, very high. So it's an extra fun market to trade. Because the moves to the up and the downside are going to be more aggressive in terms of dollar volume or dollar change in the contracts. But yeah, I mean, there's not really much else to do. You can either go short with the 360-390 stop loss, or you could go long with a low of day stop loss. We are currently long with a low of day stop loss. Well, 362.90 stop loss, but we still held. Yeah, so this price action is clearly very, very wonky, but that's why you have to just simply buy calls at a safe point. This is a see money, take money sort of market. So don't make sure you guys are taking profit. If you're holding small amount of contracts, if you're holding a very, very heavy amount of contracts, now is the time to sort of offload some. We're seeing some clear strength out of the IWM. SPY is holding above 363.80. Let's see if we can get like a strong close above 364.30 on the SPY. That would be ideal. But usually, I mean, with IV very, very high, IV is starting to fall now, which is good. But make sure you guys are taking profits and leaving runners now. Now this is a good trade. Things are working out. Now I want you guys to take some profits and leave runners. The SPY looks like it's about to retest a high of day. Let's see if we can break above high of day. That'd be great. But definitely, guys, please take some profit. This was a simple play. We just made a play at least $20-$30 per contract. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys taking profits. So let's see if we can get a rebuy or something like that we can get like a better entry point. Chitty chitty bang bang. Thank you, Hamid. I'm driving the hurricane. Damn. Be safe. What a way to die, brother. You're you're watching my stream. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. You know, you'll be fine. Hopefully. Yeah, man. I hope you're good. Uh, the market looks like it's gonna end up breaking below 366, 360, 360. Nah, I love you, chitty chitty bang bang. Soul jokes. Don't text. Don't respond to this. All right, just focus on the road. Don't respond. The indicator that I have on the screen, this is just purely the Bollinger Band on the 1 minute chart. The market should be bouncing like crazy from this, but the IV is high. That's the issue. But it should be bouncing like freaking crazy right now. It should be bouncing like that's what should be happening. Whether it does or not, that's another story. But the fact that 360, 360 held as support, we got a really, really nice retap of major levels of support and then rip to the upside. So now this gave more than enough fuel to get a rip to the upside. New high of day on the SPY. But the 365 is major resistance. Let's get a close above the prior high of day. A very, very healthy close above the prior high of day. This can end up going higher. I don't want to see any wicks. No, we don't want to see this wick. We don't want to see that wick. Brutal. Usually I'd be going long here. Usually I would be going very, very long here with basically a 363.80, 363.90 stop loss, but Market wants to fly. It wants to fly. But can it break above 365 is the question. All eyes on 365 at the moment. IB has substantially fallen as well, which is good. It would be very, very risky to try to short here, but that is the highest quality trade to take. But the momentum, it's all very, very bullish. Not want to go short here. But damn. I would usually so many trades I want to take, but there's just it doesn't feels very, very weird. Yeah, it just feels very weird. The news coming out of England, the QE news. It's making the market act different. These are the Bollinger Bands. I don't really trade. I don't really scalp using the Bollinger Bands. It's just there on the chart, so you guys can see it. I don't even know why I have it on. I like using the Bollinger Bands on larger time frames. So the 4 hour, the daily, and the weekly, the monthly. The market is just really ugly. I would really go. I would have went long at 364. Basically, at the bottom of this other candle, but the setup looked very, very bearish prior to that. But the market is, it's not looking. It's looking very stagnant. And either way, you could go either way, sort of. So now rationally, right? The issue right now is rationally, this setup, this big green candle, everything like that looks very, very bullish. So we should be going higher. But we moved like this all the way to a level of resistance. And every time we're getting close to 365 on the SPY, we reverse back down. So that is currently the issue with the market this morning. Powell has a pre-recorded speech that he's going to give. Well, he's going to play. Yep, the Apple News is killing the SPY today. Yep, 100%. So the Apple News is killing the NASDAQ, and it's pulling the SPY down. But the IWM is up 1.1 freaking percent. The NASDAQ is down 0.1%, and the SPY is up 0.3%. So the IWM is outperforming the other indices very, very well, primarily due to the fact that the IWM has a lot of banks and the financial sector in it. So the news that came out of England is very beneficial to the IWM, the Russell 2000. You have day on the SPY. Nice. This is what we needed. You know what's crazy? I would have taken I would have taken SPY puts at high day. But the IV and the indecision in the market. But as soon as we had that big green candle, man, I would have literally just went short. Hindsight is 2020, but it's nice to see that the things that I want to happen in the market be very profitable. Damn. The market is oh, GME. GME is still all right. Thought we could look at something maybe outperforming the market. Just make it an easy little simple buy. Never mind. How bold. Guard. Yeah, of course. Commodities are gonna be doing well today. Now it's technically a good opportunity to go long. Basically, have a stop loss at 363.70, but I'm not sure how much upside potential the market has. But big wick. This is I have not seen a candle like this in if this turns bullish, I haven't seen a candle like this in quite some time. I would be very surprised for us to hold these levels of support and bounce based off of this candle that we just saw and the whole setup. All right, yeah, that held support, I would have been shocked. I'm not holding any calls, by the way, guys. I'm not sure what you guys are talking about. Yeah, so right now you can see that the market is not moving fluidly. If you basically like they're giving good longing opportunities, but there isn't enough space to the upside for those longing opportunities to get a good percentage return to the upside. Similarly to the downside. So there's a lot of good shorting opportunities, but say for example, the way that we're trading these 0DTEs, right? If they fall below our levels of support, the contracts end up falling below like 10 or 15%, right? So our whole goal for going long or going short, like our goal for entering these naked put or calls, we end up wanting to see, like we want to see at least 40, 50% gains, at least 30% gains, right? So in terms of price movement on the option, we're risking essentially 10 to 15% on the contract price for like a high probability trade that we're going to return at least like 30 to 40%. What's going on right now is that there isn't enough follow through on either direction to get those 30 to 40% gains. So what's been happening is we get like a small movement to the upside that only gives us about like a 10 or 15% gain because IV is high as well right now. So really good longing opportunity. We would only get like a 10 to 15% green bounce and then it would fall back down. So right now, because IV is high and because we're range bound trading, the market is only giving us around like 1-to-1 or 2-to-1 risk reward trades because it's range bound trading. There's not like fluidity in the market, but usually we go long, boom, within a few minutes the contracts are up like 60%. Boom, we go short, few minutes the contracts are up, so it's different right now. That's the issue. That's the reason why I'm not taking as many trades. Even though the setups look really, really good, I only want to get into setups that I know that there's going to be several minutes of follow through in that direction. I don't like sharing scalps that I don't think are going to have like a lot of follow through. And so far, if you just look at the minute chart, you can see a lot of these moves only have about a few minutes of follow through. Generally, that's it's not what we want to see. I grunted because I want to go long, but I don't think that we're going to have enough strength to break above major levels of resistance. So that is the issue. Yeah, man. I trade every day so that I can see a bunch of ones in the chat, honestly. So it's like days like this, when it's very choppy, there's not high quality trade setups. Oh, damn. Mm-hmm. Damn. Looks like an amazing longing opportunity at 364.40. It's setting up for an explosion to the upside. Damn it. But we're literally sitting right at resistance. So we can pop up to resistance and then fail. That's the issue. So another really good longing opportunity here. Might not have enough follow through to the upside to break above resistance, which is making today very fun. We're gonna have to take it, man. I'm just gonna take light SPY calls. 364.60 as a stop loss. We're sitting right at resistance. Let's see if this move can finally have some steam to break above resistance. Damn, the contracts are moving very fast. So, wow. Sure, you guys. All right, let's see if we can get some follow through, man. IV is dropping. The contracts are moving in our direction. Looking good so far. See profit, take profit sort of day, man. So make sure you guys are solidifying profit and increasing your stop loss. This was a good trade. It looks like it's going to continue going higher. Let's see if we can break above high of day on the SPY. Thank God, man. Thank goodness I freaking took these. The setup, again, just looked like a really, really strong, explosive move to the upside was about to happen. All throughout the day, we did not have any follow through like this. So very nice. So it's nice that the contracts are up pretty well also. If we could break above high of day, well, that would be spectacular. So far, so good. Make sure you guys are taking profits and increasing your stop loss. 365.66 is a very, very important level of resistance. Bulls want this to remain above 364.90. So we can fall all the way back to 364.90 and still bounce up very, very aggressively. So keep that in mind. Nice. Held 365 well. Retest of resistance. Everything is looking like we're about to make a new high. Let's get a close above this high so we can become rich. This is looking good. This is looking really good. This is looking really good. Yeah, we should I would be surprised if we don't break above, and I'd be very surprised because they're painting this very, very bullish. Like the whole setup, everything looks very, very bullish. People are going to be going long with 365.50 as a stop loss for a continuation to the upside right now. But if this doesn't continue, I would be very shocked. Contracts are up almost. Oh, god damn it. Holy crap. All right. Take. Okay. Yeah, perfect. So make sure you guys take some profits and leave runners. And this was a good trade. Congratulations. Very, very nice. Spectacular. Nice, nice, nice. Oof. All right. Good. Very good. Still showing a lot of strength, which is very, very good. 366.40 is major, major resistance on the SPY. Normally, I would go short. Normally, I would go short right here with a 366.50 stop loss, but the Bank of England is doing QE, baby. But we're at major resistance on everything. But this was a ooh, nice. Contracts are flying. Yes. It would be a good. Not going to be enough follow through to the downside. That's the problem with the puts. Ooh, they held 365.90, which is the prior high of day. So they're holding the prior high of day as support, which textbook. Ooh. All right, let me stop grunting and just like trying to catch every single move. But I really want to go short, but the market is showing so much strength. Let's just relax. Let runners ride. So we're holding the prior high of day as support. Textbook support level being held. We should be breaking up higher. But we're not seeing like follow through. And normally the move to the upside that we would get right now would be churning through resistance levels like butter. But not the case. Going short here would be basically you're making it very difficult to short, but they're giving every opportunity. If we get to 367, then I will look to probably take a very risky short. If we get to 367. So far so good. Right. I want this candle to be green, and then I want this next candle to start stagnating at 367. Once this candle starts stagnating at 367, ideally I want a nice wick to the upside, and then we can go short with that wick as a stop loss. So I want to sell out. All right, so yeah, I've sold out a lot of my runners now, so now we can continue going up, but sold a lot. So now let's see what happens. We're at 367. Are we going to continue churning through it? I don't know. Let's see. But that's my game plan of what I plan on doing for the short. I'm going to take light SPY puts with a 367.10 stop loss. Doesn't work. But let's see. 366.10 stop loss. 367.10 stop loss. Sorry. I want us to come back and retest 365.60. Let's see if we could get some follow through to the downside now. That'd be great. One more minute. After this minute, cool. I want another red minute. That'd be great. But the contracts are moving up pretty good. Contracts are up. They're moving pretty nicely. But I want to get a nice move to the downside. These are profitable. Damn. Gosh darn it. These are so profitable already, but damn. All right, we have to take some profits. We have to take some profits. God damn it. Yeah, we have to take some profits. Because we see like there's just an abnormal amount of strength today in the market. Yes, blah blah blah. I short whatever we shorted 367, but this support level can easily hold. So the contracts shot up over 10% very very quickly. Have to take some profits in that situation. Damn. Now we just wait to see if we can continue falling lower. The reason why I'm like upset is because I wanted to hold like a more aggressive position to the short side, but can't do that. This is a very risky opportunity. Like right now, this would be very risky to go long. Contract's still up nicely, guys. So you guys should still be, you guys should be taking profits. Don't be greedy. You can feel the pain. For me, like I took some profits regardless. So that's the most important thing on days like this, especially when the market is just ugly. Make sure you always solidify some gains for yourselves. Ahmed, can I have your kids? Yeah. Glad we took some profits. All right. That was a very, very ugly setup to go long. Like if we make newer highs from here, that is a disgusting like that. This whole setup is just garbage for a move to the upside. I don't think. I wouldn't be surprised. I would be very surprised. But these moves, man, they're not getting enough follow through. That's the issue. The downside move, we should have fell down to like 365. But these guys held 366. Setting up for another explosion to the upside. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. This is like straight up just pure buying pressure. If we break a new high from here, this is purely buying pressure. This had nothing to do with technicals. This is literally just strength. But it's a disgusting setup. Let's go short again. 367.30. Stop. If this doesn't work, cool. But 367.30 stop loss short. God damn it. This isn't a. This is risky. So don't. This is risky. Damn. Setting up for a rip to the upside, but the market is so ugly and weak. These moves to the upside should not be sustainable. But we're keeping 367.30 as a stop. And if we get a close above, then we're out. Still holding. Yeah. I'm gonna sell out of it. Damn. It looks like we're not gonna break and hold above 367.50, but we can't play around with this strength. If it continues, we can just continue ripping, and 367.50 is such a strong, great level of resistance. Damn it, bro. All right, let's try 367. All right, 367.70 as a stop. SPY puts 367.70 stop. Let's see if we can finally get some follow through down to 365.66. But yeah, this is you guys have to automatically take some profits at 10%, especially if you have a smaller account. We hit 10%. I don't always want to verbalize like, hey guys, make sure you guys take some profits. You guys should inherently already know if you guys are taking a small position, you're only holding one contract, and you see 10-15% gain on the contract, you sell. Contracted back up nicely, so you guys should take some profits. You guys definitely should be taking some profits if you're only holding one contract. We held 366.72 very, very well. We could easily bounce back up. So make sure you're solidifying profits. If 366.70 goes, then we can hopefully see 66.40 and then 65.66. But we're holding support too well. So just, again, we're not seeing follow through. It's too risky to enter into puts right now. It's easier to enter into puts closer to resistance levels. On range bound choppy days like this, you want to enter into puts at levels of resistance. Not at levels of support. We're basically at a level of support, 366.70. That's what we like to see. If that, all right, if this wick fails to break above 367.30, then this is going to fall lower. Hopefully, that'd be great. But yeah, looks like we are consolidating right above support, right under resistance. 10:53 a.m. I mean, yeah, there's not really much else to do at the moment. If you guys made money today, can you guys, if you guys made money today on, wow, I can't speak. If you guys made money, please drop ones in the chat. Nice, nice. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's amazing. Wow. That is crazy. That is awesome. I got Devo's Chain, Twitty, Lost Bird, Cody's a Hooper, Patty, BDR, Twitty Anity, Chitty Chitty Bang Bang, making money during our hurricane. Tyler Long, Alpha Zilla, Josh, Upturn Philly G. Whoa! Bearman, Kansas Plowboy, CJ himself with a 2. I don't know what that means. Cake stuff in it. DLK, Kofi, Burnt Terps, the Master Moose, bruh. Camus Woot, 1M Palabounce, Wine Box, Lewis, Fat Rat Slim, Mr. Simplistic, Alvina Singh, Tommy, Fat Rat Slim, The Bug Squid, Roast Steak, The Master Moose, Kansas Plow, Asparage, Samuel Stoyanov, 0. This is starting to look like we could break down lower. This is giving, like, this is the perfect opportunity and the perfect setups for us to break down lower. Let's break below 366.40. If we can break below 366.40, we should see 365 range very, very soon. That'd be great. Humco, Joseph, Jeanette, Mac, Astro. Greenslaw, Fat Rat, Slim. Good calls today, Hamid. MD, Abdullah. Perfect. All right, nice. Make sure you guys are taking profits. 366.40 is major support. All right, if this could break, we could see 365, 365, 60, 365, 70. Let's see more follow throughs to the downside. If you're holding one contract and you haven't sold yet, you need to sell. It's too late to go short if you didn't go short already. We went short closer to resistance. Yeah, it's too late to enter short. Just be patient. Yeah, MD. I made 2K from SPY puts. That is very nice to hear. 366. Import 1. K Lap. Have a great day, Hamid. Thank you. You too. Mac McAleer. McAllier. Well done, oh bearded one. Thanks. Zach, 1-1, my best day in a while, actually. Congrats, man. Happy to. Ooh, nice. All right. Okay. This right here, this was an opportunity many people were trying to go long. And what we see right now is a clear break of that level of support that was being held for a few minutes. We need to see if this can continue falling lower, and it looks like it could. Freaking, they decided to do quantitative easing. Damn it. Now it looks. Damn, I'm very upset because now it looks like an amazing opportunity to go long. But damn. Sergeant DK Discord DM. I don't have access. Just send me a message on Discord. If you're unable to send me a message on Discord, you have to change your settings to be able to DM non-friends. Empathy. Buying one SPY put. Gonna make some coffee and see what happens. I hope it works out for you. Sean, beautiful flag. Huge move up. I see what you're looking at. I see what you're looking at, sir. Oh, these puts are still profitable. These puts are still very profitable. Yeah, man. We caught that. We caught the top beautifully. God damn it. I didn't want to go long over here when I wanted to. Like, I didn't go long even though I wanted to. Because the follow through has been a problem today. Let's take SPY calls 367 stop. Let's see if we can get a break to the upside. 366.80 stop loss. Let's see if this could lead to a break of hive day. If not, this will be. Yeah, this will be my last trade for the day. So now is a really good long opportunity. 366.40. Basically gonna need to hold. All right. That did not work. They're giving a really good longing opportunity, but if this doesn't work, then we're going to get a very aggressive move to the downside. So the move to the downside is going to be very aggressive if this does not work, in my opinion. I'm still holding. All right, sold out of these. Let's see if we can get a bounce off of 366.13. Most likely. We should be aggressively bouncing off of 366.15. So this low right now, this should be holding. And we should be bouncing and making new highs. So if you guys want to take a light call position, you guys should do that with the 366.15 stop. We should be bouncing very aggressively. And if that doesn't happen, then this is just a garbage market at the moment. 366.15 stop loss. We should be ripping to the upside. All right, take some profits. We're sitting at 367 now. Take some profits. Big wick off of 367.10. But we should be continuing to rip to the upside. That was a very, very good setup. Went long. And we're wicking at resistance, which is the issue. Contracts flew, so this is good. Oh well, let's see if we can get more upside. Very nice. Very nice. We're closed above 367.10. Everyone should be in profit. You guys should definitely take some profits. Increase your stop loss. Nice. Nice. Nice move to the upside so far. Oh man, the IWM is at major resistance. So is the SPY. 168.30, major resistance on the IWM. But the NASDAQ is trading above support. And, you know, the SPY has resistance at 367.10. So bulls want to see 366.70 hold. 366.70, 366.80 hold for a continued move to the upside. Yo, guys in the chat, can you guys be respectful and nice to each other, please? Kinzoku, I trade primarily at the money strike prices. At the money. Robinhood reporting multiple users options not updating. Huge L. Bro. Hey MP, will you say if you're out of position? Yeah. So I give you guys levels that I have as stop losses, and then if I'm still holding it past the stop loss, I'll let you guys know if I'm still holding it. But yeah, I tell you guys when I sell and all that. But yeah, today hasn't been a bad day. Pretty good. We got some nice moves. But unfortunately, the market is very choppy today. It's 11:16 a.m. Would you recommend switching to a cash account? Wanted reject? Yes, definitely. I would recommend everybody transfer their money to a cash account. But yeah, guys, it's 11:17. Market's very choppy. We're currently holding longs. Let's see if we can make new highs. It's very dangerous to short here. So when it becomes very, it's a good opportunity for them to rip it up. IWM new hive day, NASDAQ big green candle, SPY, okay. Yeah, so just let's see if we can get a nice pop. Let's see if we can get two solid closes above 367.10. If that can happen, then I would say this is like a very, very high likelihood that we see high of day on the SPY. Reading through. Let me read through the TikTok chat. Okay. AlphaZilla. Silver Wolf. I got Devo's name. TikTok chat is a double. Very, very nice. Look to him logistics. Hamid, I'm a DoorDash you lunch, homie. You helping change people's lives. Thank you, man. Thank you, bro. It's the least I can do. I can only hope. AlphaZilla, Allah will make me rich tonight. Hope. Sell calls. Damn, I'm scared of that. No, like you have to understand that you can't be afraid of getting calls close to support. And you can't be afraid of getting puts close to resistance. So I got Devo's chain. Can't be scared in the market. Just trade your plan. Exactly. AlphaZilla agrees. Chitty chitty bang bang. Balls are on sale. Excel, I've lost a ton of money last year. That's why I get shook. You have to move on from what happens. You have to take the losses. You have to move on. You have to trade as if You have to trade without emotion. You can't allow your emotions to dictate your actions, ever. You can't allow fear to stop you from making sound decisions. I love the bullish buildup. It means it's going to be a massive break to the upside, I hope. So we got... Ooh! Yes! We got 2 closes above 367.11 and a big move to the upside. Ooh, shit. Take some profits. Yeah, simple. So, like... Oh, shit. Broke above... Oh, my God. Closed above half day. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Alright, make sure you guys are taking profits. Ooh, beautiful. That's what we needed. Nice. Very nice, everybody. God damn. Holy crap. Contracts are up almost 60%. That was good. This is what we needed. Perfect, man. Perfect. Do you go live every day? Yes, I go live every single day, Monday through Friday, on Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. From at least 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern time. Now I want to go short. Yeah, no, it's 11:23. Just holding on to runners. Major resistance at 368.50. So, yeah, fudge. It's tough to go short here, but yeah, I gotta go. I'm gonna go. Just made 14.50 on these calls. Thanks. Damn, that's amazing. Very nice to hear that. I'm glad everyone did well today. I hope everyone did well. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. I hope you guys, you know, understood why my thought process was the way it was. I hope you guys enjoyed today. And we're Yeager, why are we going up? Did Powell say something positive? We're going up because the Bank of England is doing quantitative easing. So quantitative easing is good for equity prices. And it's also very good for banks, which is why the IWM is currently the biggest leader in terms of all 3 indices. So the IWM is up 2.4%, whereas the NASDAQ is only up 1%. So it's an entire 1.4% difference between the IWM and the NASDAQ. So a lot of banks internationally are getting a lot of love because we saw the Bank of England do quantitative easing. People are expecting the US markets and Fed Powell to also have to do quantitative easing as well. So that is good for equity prices. That's good for commodity prices. That's why we're gonna see gold, oil, Bitcoin, commodities in general should be doing really, really well. Securities, yeah. So this is really, really nice that we're seeing continuation to the upside. Wow. So 368.50 is major resistance. Phew. Damn. Contracts are up almost 70%. All right, guys, I've got to go. I love you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm very, very happy that we had a really good day on a today was very, very ugly. So I'm very happy that we came out really green today. More to come. More winning days to come. All right. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. Love you guys. Take care. Thank you so much. Make sure you guys are following me on Twitch. Make sure you guys follow me on TikTok. Make sure you guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post my daily market recap every day on YouTube as well. So definitely follow